Okay, so wife's at work today. I'm technically working remote this week before I start forced vacation next week, but I think because it's going to rain, well, 50% chance almost all week long, is a good opportunity when it's nice out. Get this garage cleaned up a little bit, do a little bit of organizing. I can get things out of the way, get things swept up, take some of this stuff, right, and get it out of the way so we can make room for car things. Got a little work to do on the lawnmower, so we'll do a little shed tour in a minute here. I think order of business is to get the mower out, get the deck back on it, get the snowblower put away, clear out some stuff from the shed after getting things out of the trailer and putting them in the garage to kind of stage them, and then we'll stuff stuff back into the trailer since we're going to use it to hold parts and whatnot for the cars. Dirty, unorganized shed and cubby with the blower on. I got to use this thing once this year. It just didn't snow enough, and every time it snowed a little bit light, my neighbor Dave, awesome dude, he'd come over with his ATV and just plow my driveway because it only takes him 10 minutes and I have to get everything out. So, as you can see, a lot of crap just stuffed in here over the winter to get it out of the way. So we'll move the mower, do some stuff with that, pull some of this stuff off to put in the trailer to make space out here. And I'm thinking I can fit my motorcycle and the mower in here at the same time, because hopefully I'll be riding the bike more than I'll be mowing the lawn, but we'll find out in the future. Oh boy, don't have a secret lock system. Don't come and steal my stuff. Oh, I didn't even do that side. Super easy. There we go. Yeah, he's been off for a week now. And yesterday I come outside because I hear some noise, and he got stir crazy enough that he came over and started splitting my firewood. So I got about twice as much wood as I had a week ago. Then he put his blade on and pushed all my leaves in the woods for me. Just really good dude to have next door. We got space for the mower. Bring that thing in here. The only reason it needs to come up here, really, is that I had an incident the first time, well, the one time I did use it. Super excited, didn't even have chains, threw it on, went down the driveway. It didn't turn. I ended up between the tree and all the black Jetta was down there. Off in the woods, and just, it was a mess. I had to dig myself out, get it back up here, buy chains, put it on. I spent more probably on chains than I would have just had somebody plow my driveway in cash. But either way, this bushing, I think I have it. I found it in the yard eventually. Yeah, so one of the brackets that holds the blower popped off, and this bushing came out, and I got mad and couldn't find it, so I just welded the thing in place instead of tapping holes for it. So we got to grind those welds off. It was one of those deals where I looked at it as like, well, you need to clear the driveway. This is future John's problem, and here's future John, so we'll deal with it. All right, and of course I forgot to bring the battery down, so I'll be back. Okay, battery's in. It doesn't run in a few months, so cross your fingers. It might take a while to fuel the prime. And we'll see how loud garbage like this is on this camera. Well, I don't know how to use a tractor. Lawnmower start test number 2. Almost. Oopsie daisy. Feels like tires. Oh, not bad. Get these chains off here too. Yeah, so here's nobody. Okay, comments are below. Say what you will. But this is yeah. Well, it sure made them easy to cut off. That's for sure. This won't take long. Okay, so cut into the weld. If it moves a bit, then it'll come out back in the shed. Okay, that's good. I wonder how loud that is. I'll have to play with sound levels a little bit. Yeah, so those are going to come out. And then I'll clean up the bracketry once everything's out of the way. You know, maybe the first time I come out to cut the grass, I'll clean that up. But for a $500 mower, I'm not complaining. Cuts the lawn just fine. Okay, so back out to the shed. I'll have to get that deck out of there. This cart I've been hanging on to because I want to cut the top half off and put that generator on it. I filled the tires full of slime like a dirt ball, and I think one of them's flat. And there, if I just keep inflating it, it'll be okay. Either way, even with 3 wheels, it'll be easier to pull the generator around with this than it will with nothing at all. So, and then the Melmar can go back in the trailer once that's cleared out. So I think the real next order of business is get that trailer out. Maybe I'll sweep in here so it doesn't look so nasty. So I felt a bump, and I'm hoping it was just the transition of the grass. But I went ahead and unlocked it. I haven't looked yet, so we can see together. I hope my motorcycle didn't fall over. Not that it would hurt it any, but there's a possibility I just never strapped it down. Oh, nope. Must have been the smoker. Yeah, we're gonna smoke some meat in this dirt ball, but I need to clean it. It smells way better. That roof vent was broken and it leaked a bunch of water in, and this thing just stunk like dead animals. But there were also mice living in some stuff. I got them cleared out too. So, well, let's get all this crap out and put it in the garage for funsies, and then figure out where to put everything else. The only thing left in the trailer is a refrigerator that I don't know why I'm keeping, other than it has a bunch of stickers on the front from when I was younger. So nostalgia, I guess. And here's inventory. Bikes out. That doesn't have a 550 engine in it anymore. It's full of parts that I intend to put on eBay, but I'm not sure who's going to buy them in the coming months, so maybe I'll just let them sit and ignore it. Stack of empty totes, which I think I'll keep in the garage, so we can put car stuff in them. Dirty ass smoker we're going to clean up before we use it this year. This blue cart, which since no one's parking in here, maybe I'll leave it there. I don't know if it'll be useful or not. So easily the longest part of the day so far is putting the battery back in this chug, but it seems to still have a little bit of go in it as long as the thing starts. Whoa, whoa. This doesn't run all winter. Setup, inner setup. Yeah, whatever. There we go. Okay, I lopped the top off that cart for the generator. It's looking pretty good. This tire is the only one that was low on air. Like I said, there's a lot of slime in it, so maybe if I just keep filling it up, eventually it'll stop leaking. Those dumb things have tubes. It's the most awful design in the world. Worst case, they make foam ones now. But if I have it up here with the compressor, who cares if the tire gets a little flat? So I'm gonna get some of this crap out of the way. Generator will go in there, smoker will go in there, slide everything in nice and parallel. Everything else back in the trailer, and we're gonna have a lot of space. Okay, everything's in the shed. That bike fits in the shed, there's room to walk. Mower fits in the shed, other stuff. Yeah. Get rid of some of the unnecessary items. Neighbors are out. And this is all that's left in the trailer. So if I need to, I don't have to be so lazy, and I could fit more things in here, but I hope I won't get to that. Okay, so it looks plenty of garage space. Both the blue cart and the cabinet are mobile. We got things over here that we'll actually use, so we can move those around as needed. I'll get some fluid in the parts washer, because I'm sure we'll need that at least a little bit. Wash off some greasy, diesely parts. The next order of business will be to deal with the 2000, the black Jetta. We'll start pulling stuff out of that like crazy, get it ready to go to scrap, and then we'll dig in on the appliance green GLI over there.